You can initialize a string as follows: char greetings within brackets 6 equals to within curly braces capital H within single quotes, comma E within single quotes, comma L within single quotes, comma L within single quotes, comma O within single quotes, comma \0 within single quotes, semicolon. A more convenient way to initialize the above string is char greetings open close brackets equals to hello within double quotes, semicolon. You do not need to add the null to the end of string constants manually. The compiler does this for you automatically. Note that if the string is initialized where it is declared, mentioning the string size is optional. A string can also be initialized and printed using normal scanf and printf functions, respectively, just like any other variable. Unlike arrays, we do not need to print a string character by character. It has a format specifier %, which can be used to directly print and read strings. Let's write a simple program to demonstrate that. Create a new file in code blocks and save it as s6_01.c. Alright, include the header file stdio.h hash include open close angular brackets stdio.h. Write the main function int main open close parenthesis void open close curly brace. Declare a string char str open close brackets within brackets the dimension 30 semicolon. Next, prompt the user to input his or her name. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write enter your name :space. Store the name typed in the string. Scanf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write the format specifier %s comma str. Finally, print the result. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write welcome comma space %s comma after the closing quote str return 0 semicolon. Now you can press F9 to run the program. I am going to click build and run. Write your name Sandip Bhattacharya for me. Welcome Sandip. As you can see in the program, string can also be read using a single scanf statement. Also, you might be thinking that why we have not used the ampersand sign with string name str in scanf function. To understand this, you will have to recall our knowledge of scanf. We know that the ampersand sign is used to provide the address of the variable to scanf function to store the value in memory. Since array name itself denotes the base address of the array and string is an array of characters, the string name does not require ampersand before it in scanf. Also note that printf does not print the null character. The declaration char str within brackets 30 sets aside 30 bytes for the string, whereas the scanf function fills in the characters typed from the keyboard into the array until the enter key is hit. Once enter is hit, scanf places a \0 in the array. While entering the string using scanf, we must be cautious about two things. The length of the string should not exceed the dimension of the character array. This is because the C compiler doesn't perform bounds checking on character arrays. Number 2. Scanf is not capable of receiving multi-word strings. Therefore, names such as Steve Jobs would be unacceptable. You may use scanf function to accept multi-word strings with the help of scanset, which is a general purpose format specifier that scanf supports. You may use scanf to accept multi-word strings with this little trick. Scanf, open close parenthesis, within double quotes, %, open close brackets, up arrow or caret, \n, comma, name. The format specifier within double quotes, %, open close bracket, up arrow or caret, \n, tells the compiler that read the characters until \n is not found. The beginning square bracket must be prefixed by a %sign. The up arrow or caret character instructs scanf to stop reading after the first occurrence of that character. Let's write a program to show that it really works. Create a new file in code blocks and save it as s6_02.c. Press Ctrl S, s6_02.c, quickly include the header file, #include, open close angular brackets, stdio.h, int main, within parenthesis, void as parameter, open close curly brace, return 0, semicolon. Alright, first we declare a string, char name, open close brackets, 30 as dimension, semicolon. Prompt the user to input his or her name. Printf, open close parenthesis, semicolon, within double quotes, write enter your name, space. Next, store the name typed in the string. Scanf, open close parenthesis, semicolon, within double quotes, write %, open close brackets, upward arrow or caret symbol, \n, comma, name. Finally, print the result. Printf, open close parenthesis, semicolon, within double quotes, write welcome, comma, %s as the format specifier, comma, name. Press F9 to test the code. I am going to input Steve Jobs. Welcome, Steve Jobs. Even if this trick works, it is not the best way to read string with spaces. A better solution to this problem is by using the library function getS. The usage of library functions getS and its counterpart putS is discussed next.